Up country, a truck and trailer taking a drill rig to secure foundations for a building project has crashed off a narrow track. Traveling in convoy with a van, the flatbed truck was carrying a compressor as well as towing the drill rig trailer. Climbing a hill, the truck lost grip on the untreated road surface and came to a stop. To help restart, the crew began to unload the drill, but the truck slipped back, the trailer skewing across the road before smashing into the front of the van. In Overhalla, Joe Roger and Halvar are rescuing a truck transporting a drill rig, but the wrecked van is in the way. Halvar rigs a winch wire from his tow truck to the back of the van. As he pulls, Joe Roger steers from the side. But the van suddenly runs away from him.
I didn't get it to stop.
The van will be picked up later, leaving Joe Roger a clear deck for the main rescue. And he'll begin by removing the drill rig. But this will not be easy. If they pull from the front, it risks skidding sideways into the ditch. Then Joe Roger has an idea. The track's too narrow to get a tow truck alongside, but a tree stump could act as an anchor point for a pulley, running a wire to the side of the drill. But this is only one stage of the rescue.
We're going to do this step by step. That's the plan.
Joe Roger's tow truck sits behind the trailer. A strap from a tree holds a pulley. The winch wire running through this, then to the right-hand track of the drill rig. This will first straighten the rig out before it drops down off the trailer and onto the road. The rig's own winch at the back helping to steady it. Once the drill rig is out of the way, Joe Roger can then winch the trailer off the truck. He'll then reposition his tow truck, taking 2 wires to the back of the truck, Halvar running 1 wire through a pulley to the truck's front wheel, a second to the compressor to secure it. They'll then pull the truck sideways onto the road.
But it has to start someplace.
Joe Roger attaches a chain to the drill rig as Halvar places a strap around a tree stump.
You have to use anchor points down in the hill.
They secure the strap, then haul down the winch wire. Joe Roger begins the pull. The wire angles through the pulley onto the back of the 9-ton drill rig. But this puts huge pressure on the anchoring tree stump.
I hope this will hold. Then we anchor it in from 1 tree to many more trees.
Joe Roger's solution is to spread the load across multiple trees.
If we mess this up, we'll have problems with doing the rest of the job.
He tells the drill rig crew to fire up the engine. It runs on tracks and also has a small rear winch, which could help prevent it from sliding into the trees.
We used his winch to be sure that we don't lose the drill rig on the other side of the trailer.
Er vi klar? Klar!
Vi prøver.
Joe Roger tries again. His winch is pulling the rig back and sideways. At the same time, the drill rig crew operate the tracks and rig winch.
It's taking a good timing to do this right.
Rett fram!
Vreda, from the ground, vreda.
All eyes are on the drill rig as Joe Roger coordinates the pull.
You have to be on watch because everything can happen.
Suddenly, the rig lurches to the side.
Stopp av der!
Joe Roger calls another stop.
Ja, Halvor! Vi må til det vaier der nå, for han det på tur ned.
When we are trying to take off the drilling rig, the truck is starting to slide sideways.
The truck and the compressor it carries are now at risk of tipping over. Joe Roger needs to think fast.
Det ingenting å feste i oppi der, så jeg må ha breistrop på kanskje, som bare for å ta i selve kassen.
They decide to use Halvar's truck to run straps tight around the compressor.
Får du ikke dobbelt? Nei, jeg får bare våge seg.
Because the road is so narrow, they'll run the winch wire through a pulley attached to the trees to get a low angle onto the strap.
Du, Halvor, vær tøy på.
Joe Roger's keen to get started. The compressor could shift at any moment.
Vær kom igjen.
The plan works. The locks click shut.
We got it locked and secured one problem less. Skal vi starte opp en, og så fortsette bak på en?
They return to the main pull, rescuing the drill rig.
God klaring. Ja!
Secured by Joe Roger's winch wire, the rig can now drive forward on its own tracks.
Finally, we got the drilling rig off the trailer, and it looks pretty undamaged.
But this rescue's only half done. With the drill moved out of the way, they now need to save the truck and trailer.
Nei, vi koblet to hengeren, og så slipper vi den bare.
First job is to detach the trailer.
Så vi bare får den løs.
Connection between the trailer and the truck was stuck.
The coupling needs to be straight to come apart, but the crash pushed it hard against the truck.
Hva kommer nå?
A sledgehammer helps persuade it open.
Kan jeg løs?
Joe Roger can now winch the trailer back.
Ja! Okay.
To rescue the truck, Joe Roger now needs his rear winches face on. He reverses in.
Now we're going to put the drill rig into use.
Joe Roger's big idea is to use the drill's own winch to help with the pull.
Så jeg har fått sporeriggen her. Så jeg kunne tenke å bruke kastblokka den igjen, og så ty hjulet.
He'll take a wire from the drill rig to the truck's front wheel.
Så kommer vi ganske fort, altså.
Me and Halvar has a good plan for this one.
Halvar runs chains through the truck's wheels.
I'm using the big one to hold it sideways. The drilling rig is also holding sideways, and Halvar's truck is holding the compressor down and the front sideways.
The truck carries a 9-ton compressor, complicating the rescue. It's a technical 5-winch rig, using multiple pulleys to angle the wires side on. And it's Joe Roger and Halvar's best shot.
Vi prøver.
The truck driver follows Joe Roger's instructions.
Og så slipper jeg bare bak litt. Er vi på veien? Her er ett konge.